Hey ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, this is your Alexo and welcome to another great and amazing video. And if you still haven't liked this video, go right below and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive more of this type of videos on a weekly basis where I share with you plenty of tips related to self-publishing and several ways for you to make money online. And if you are interested in learning more about how you can make money with self-publishing, your first $1,000 per month in self-publishing and scale up your business month after month, I recommend for you to check my newest course called Self-Publishing Money Machine. I'm going to leave a link on the description from this video so you can click on it and get more information. Now let's talk about why self-publishing is one of the best online businesses for beginners. Without a shadow of doubt, it is one of the best ones out there. So you can, I would say, start making money as quickly as possible, okay? And that is what I'm going to talk about here. Okay, compared to other businesses that I've already tried online, it is definitely the easiest one. I already tried affiliate marketing, okay, and affiliate marketing, if you don't know, is you basically promote products that belong to other people, and you get the link to promote that product, and you promote that product through your YouTube channel, through a website or whatever, and whenever someone clicks on that link and purchases the product through your link, you earn a commission. That is affiliate marketing in a nutshell, I would say. I also made my own courses, my own products. I also tried to sell t-shirts online, which was a complete failure. And without a shadow of doubt, self-publishing has been one of the easiest ways that I made money online. And I'm going to explain throughout this video why. The first reason is a step-by-step formula. You can't really compare this to anything else out there, okay? You can follow really a step-by-step formula where you learn step number one, step number two. Let's say step number one is you registering an account with Kindle Direct Publishing. Step number two can be you finding profitable book titles on Amazon. Step number three is you ordering books from a ghostwriter company or you writing your books. Okay, that could be step number three. Step number four is getting your cover design done, your description of your book, the book title of your book, and all of those things. And step number five is publishing your book. Then step number six is you promoting your book through advertisement and other ways for you to get more sales on your book and also reviews. So as you can see, there's a step-by-step formula. And you can't really compare this to any other business online, okay? For example, I've been promoting products from other people. I've been an affiliate of other people for a very long time and has been one of the ways that I've done money in the past, and I still do money nowadays through affiliate products. And also I make money through my own course. And I can say that there's you can't even imagine, especially when you get to the part where you decide to develop your own products, there's so many different things that you need to learn, and I'm just going to talk about a few of them. And there's not an exact formula that you can follow, as I've explained with self-publishing. For example, if you wanted to make your own course, these are just a few things that you probably would need to learn, okay? You probably would want to build your own website, so you would need to learn how to use a web host, which is the company that is going to host your website on their computers. So you would need to learn how to use a web host, how to get a proper web host, because not all companies are good. You would need later to use a platform like WordPress to build a website, which is a lot of things that you need to learn. Then you probably would need to use an application like LearnDash to have your course on your website. Then you would need to learn how to use WooCommerce to sell your website. Also Cashflow or whatever that other application that I'm using at the moment on my website to basically build a sales funnel. So there's a lot of things that you need to learn. The other thing is to get visitors to your website. You would need to learn how to optimize your website so you would eventually start getting visitors from Google and also other search engines. So just what I've spoke about here is months and months of just studying and grinding, and also the part where you need to learn how to write enticing posts for your website so you can eventually start getting people reading your content and so on. And this is months of a lot of studying and hard work. You can't even imagine. It's a lot of work. A lot of people typically, when when I talk about being an online entrepreneur, a lot of people commonly have this idea that I'm just a guy who is sitting on a sofa on my home in front of a laptop, just kind of scratching my butt and not doing much all day long. But there's tremendous amounts of work, and my typical days is like 12 hours of work at least, and it kind of depends on the amount of work that I have on a daily basis. But what I'm saying is, with self-publishing, you have a step-by-step formula. The other thing is you kind of can do this as a part-time job. Okay, I would say the most time-consuming part is really being able to find profitable book topics, which I explained on my course, Self-Publishing Money Machine, which you can find a link right below. And second thing, I kind of already spoke about this, but there's a low learning curve. I'm not saying that there's a lot of things that you don't need to learn. There's quite a good amount of learning when it comes to this, but nothing compared to promoting your own courses, your own products, or even promoting products that belong to other people as an affiliate. Because one of the things I've noticed with a lot of people out there is that they, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing, they make it sound really simple, really easy, and it's not that easy for you to promote products that belong to other people and sell it. There's a lot of things involved. And when it comes to Kindle publishing, the learning curve is kind of, I would say, more simple, because a great part of your job is you already have Amazon, which is built. You don't need to build a website. So you're already using Amazon, which is the biggest e-commerce website in the world. They have everything already there at your disposal. And the only thing that you really need to do is just get books and publish over there, and know how to promote those books so you can get more sales. And also you want to get reviews, which is another part when it comes to this business. Okay, so there's a low learning curve. And the other thing I also want to talk about is, and I kind of forgot to add that into my over here onto my spreadsheet, but the other part I want to talk about is, it's one of the, I would say, one of the fastest ways for you to make money online. Because, for example, if you build a website and until you start receiving some visitors on a daily basis, it may take months and months. Sometimes 6-9 months after you built a website is when you start noticing a good flow of people going to your website. Now, when it comes to self-publishing, after you publish a book, you can start making your first money online after 24 hours or 48 hours of publishing that book. So it's one of the quickest ways for you to make money online. And yeah, good income scalability, okay? And what I want to talk about this is, in average, you can actually do some pretty decent money after a few months, like 3 months, 5 months. You possibly are making like $5,000, $6,000. Some people do $10,000 with their Kindle publishing business. I already saw some people even doing $20,000, $30,000, but that's kind of not something that is that common to happen. But some people in fact make that happen, but you should expect about an average of $5,000, $6,000 after about 4 or 5 months of publishing, if you know what you're doing. Okay, so there's a good income scalability, and also, as I already explained, when it comes to self-publishing, is one of the quickest ways for you to make money online compared to anything else. Okay, when it comes to affiliate marketing, it may take months until you see your first sale. The same thing with having your own products and courses. Okay, so you can't really compare it to self-publishing. Okay, that is the reason why self-publishing is one of the best online businesses for beginners. And if you want to learn more about this business, make sure to check my course, Self-Publishing Money Machine. I'm going to leave a link right below in the description, so you can click on that link, go to a page where you can find all of the information about this course and see if this course is right for you. And that is all for this video. If you have any questions related to self-publishing, leave it right below in the comment section. That is all for now. Stay tuned with Jordan and Alexo, and bye.